Good day, everyone, depending where you are watching me from. This is part 4 of this topic, practical information for asylum seeker. Today, I will be talking about access to the procedure for requesting international protection. Access, access to the procedure for requesting international protection. The request for international protection is individual and must be presented to the border police at the time of arrival in Italy, or maybe if you arrive in any of the European country or any of the country, non-European country, any of the country you may find yourself know that yes, your request must be presented to them at the border police. Second, the police department, police immigration office, if you are already in Italy. If you are already in Italy for some time, or you're already in any of the European country or any other country, or you decided to go and seek for asylum, so you can reach out to the police department. You are authorized to remain on the national territory until the decision of the territorial commission regarding your request for international protection. For example, don't ask for an asylum and travel to another country as illegal immigrants. You have to wait for that territory in which you make your request for them to give you feedback before making any move to another country. Remember, the chief officer will determine a place in which you may remain until the examination procedure for request for international protection is concluded. This is, for example, for some of you who the police may refer to some center to go and be staying, maybe probably with some people who are already in the center. You feel that you are not comfortable with them, or you are not okay there, or you need a better place to stay, and you decided to leave where you were recommended to stay and then go to another location, another place to stay pending when your result is come, pending when your results arrive. It is wrong. You must stay in the place where the police or the authority ask you to stay pending when your request, pending when you get your reply from your request. As soon as you seek for protection, automatically remember what I said in part 3 before. Automatically you will become an asylum seeker. So don't say because your case have not yet accepted, any decision have not yet made to you, and you are still free to do whatsoever you like to do. No, it's not like that. As soon as you present your case to the immigration, automatically you'll be considered as refugee pending when you receive a reply from the commission. Remember also that your request for international protection cannot be rejected or excluded only due to the fact of not being presented in a timely manner. There are no deadline for the presentation of the request. For example, this part is for those of you, for example, who arrive in this territory, who did not pass through the border, or you've been in this country, and while you're in this country, you find a reason to now request for a protection, or you've been in any country for long, or maybe after some period of months or years, you now find a reason of seeking for a protection. So here is basically telling you that yes, your request cannot be denied due to the fact that you have been in the country for a while, and then you did not present yourself to the immigration. So it's basically telling you that it have nothing to do with the rejection of it have nothing to do with your case, and your case cannot be rejected based on that. So if at all any rejection is going to be made on any decision of rejection is going to be made on your case, it's not going to be based on the timeline in which you presented your case. Remember the possibility to contact the UNHCR. UNHCR is European United Nations High Commission Refugee. So these are the body in charge of any issues concerning protection, international protection. So they're in charge of every information, whatsoever reply you get, whether positive or negative. So if you have any question or you have any issue to relate to them, to relate to anybody, this is the right body you should reach out to. So you can find any one of them in your locality, in where or in the country you reside. So they will always answer your call wherever whenever you contacted them. They will always answer your call wherever you reach out to them. Or you can also look for their office and visit them directly, so that you'll be able to see them, to express yourself and present your case in due manner. Remember also, when you are invited, you must appear personally before the Territory Commission. You must turn over your passport and all the documents pertaining to the request. Here is very, very important. Listen again, say you must turn over your passport and all the documents pertaining to the request. So please take this part very, very important. Very, very important, because some of you will arrive in this country or any of the European country. Here I'm talking about Italy. You have a document. You have some document with you. You will lie that you don't have any document with you, but after you be issued a document, you will go out there again to you the document you deny not of having with you. At that time, you will be asked to process any other form of document. Remember to inform the police every time you change your residence. Otherwise, everything that must be communicated to you will be considered validly delivered to the last residence that you have reported, even if you have not received it. This is for those of you who will change your residence and forget to communicate the police. Maybe you are in camp, or you left camp, or you living on your own, and then whenever they send you information to your old residence and it did not get to you, when they make a decision after some months, you will get angry to say, oh, police did not reach out to me, I did not receive any document, nobody called me on phone. No, they are not going to call you. They are not going to call you on phone. Sometimes they call when it's necessary. But in this case, because the law have already advised you to always communicate your new residence to them, and they've told you that whenever you fail to communicate your new residence, and they will definitely send your information to your old residence, whether you receive it or not, for them it will be considered delivered. So sometimes when they deny you for sincerity, it's not simply because they did not reach out to you or did not find a way to get in touch with you, because they've done the needful. So always note, please don't make this mistake, because I know this thing have happened to so many people, and because they don't have the knowledge or the information, maybe in most cases, for those of most people that this thing usually happen to are those who are applying for a residence in another state, maybe where they were before they left and they traveled to another state, but they refused to communicate their resident to their community, and later on when they come out to, so what they are basically telling you here is that they are not interested in your complaint. If you did not communicate the new resident to them, they can't do otherwise. So remember, the Territory Commission holds your hearing. The communication will be sent to you through the police department, Questura. Here is telling you that whenever you submit your case or your commission, whenever reply you're going to be getting, positive or negative, the police department in your state will always communicate you to come and collect whatever information or reply you get from the commission when you seek for asylum, whether positive or negative. It is possible to postpone the personal interview when you cannot attend for health reasons. Serious health reasons that do not allow you to attend. The interview must be certified by the doctor. This is for those of you who jump appointment, or maybe who forgot an appointment and you want to lie to the Questura or to the commission that no, you didn't remember, or you remember something happened, or accidents, or you were sick, you were not okay. You want to you started inventing all sorts of lie that's not advisable. But what they are basically telling you that yes, you can postpone your interview. If you know tomorrow, for example, or a day before, or a week before your appointment date, you're not going to be available, always communicate then for postponement. Or if you know that you're available to attend to your interview on that very day, you are not able to attend due to serious health issues, and what is inside, and your doctor must write you a document that certifies that yes, that you were seriously ill and you were not okay, to back it up. If not, you will not be recognized, and your complaint or your excuse will not be recognized by them. Remember, in any case, the commission will decide only based on the documentation that is available to it. If you were regularly notified, if you do not arrive at the interview, and if you have not registered, if you have not presented the request for postponement for the interview. What is basically telling you here is that, for example, if you know you're not going to be on the interview, and you know you have the right to ask for postponement, but if you did not make any request of postponement, the decision have the right to make a decision on your case. They can decide whether the case is going to go for your favor or not. So wherever you find yourself in this kind of situation, don't say that you didn't go for your interview. How come the commission make a decision without your presence? The commission have already told you that this is what you need to do, and they also need to do what they have to do, because whenever you be given an interview, you know that yes, people are there. They're going to be an interpreter. They're going to be the commission officer to be attending to you at that hour. So wherever that sits, and you did not come for the interview, you did not show up on the interview, automatically can make any decision based on
any documentation they have in their possession. Because sometimes you know that before you go for an interview, some of your part of the story have already been written and sent to them. It just needs what you just need to do. Your purpose of being there is for you to come and express it to them to hear it from you. Also know that, yeah, like I said in the previous video, that sometimes your case can be, there are some people who before they attend an interview, the decision will be made on their documents. So it is always depend on the documentation that they have in their possession. Because maybe probably some of their documentation, some of the documentation they have with them, we already tell them the direction they need to go. So you not showing up on the interview, and you not sending any documentation of postponement, note that a decision can be made without your presence. If, however, you were not informed of the commission hearing and the commission have not decided regarding your request for international protection, you may have a new appointment only once. Note, you may have a new appointment only once. Maybe if, for example, let me make this example. If custodian were informed the day of your interview and you were not informed, or maybe by your center, or you were not informed, what it basically tell you that if they discover that the commission can give you the opportunity of another appointment only once within 10 days from when the circumstance end, that did not allow you to attend the interview. Okay, so this part is very, very important for you to take note of it. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope this information helps you. Like I said in the introduction video, this information may be seen boring to you, so please take it as a class. Take it as a class. Sometimes when teachers is teaching some topic, sometimes if not some topic that you really want to listen to, sometimes you may sound boring, but this information are very, very valid, very, very important. Like I said, I took my time to write up on this information to make sure that I will not mislead you on any information I'll be giving to you. That is why I took my time. As you can see here, they are all files, they are all 5 written and designed just for your purpose. Okay, so please take it very serious and watch. And like I said, if you don't understand it in the first place, always review it and share it to everyone that probably everyone that may need this information. Thank you.